How do serverless functions manage execution time limits? Imagine sending a message and knowing it will only stay active for a set amount of time before disappearing. That's similar to how serverless functions work when it comes to their execution time limits. When a serverless function is triggered, the cloud platform starts a timer. This timer keeps track of how long the function has been running. The function runs inside a small, isolated environment, often a lightweight container or a micro-virtual machine, which the cloud provider manages. If the function finishes its task before the timer runs out, the environment is cleaned up and resources are freed for other tasks. But if the function takes too long and exceeds the set limit, the platform automatically stops it to prevent overuse of resources. Different cloud providers set different maximum times for functions to run. For example, Amazon Web Services Lambda allows functions to run for up to 15 minutes. Microsoft Azure functions on the consumption plan limit executions to 10 minutes. Google Cloud functions restrict execution to 9 minutes. Some edge computing platforms have even shorter limits, sometimes just a few seconds, to keep things running smoothly at the network's edge. The platform enforces these limits by monitoring runtime and using system controls called control groups. These controls track CPU and memory use and send a termination signal when the time is up. Usually, the platform gives the function a brief grace period to finish up before stopping it completely. Since serverless functions are meant to be short-lived, developers often design their code to run quickly within these limits. For longer tasks, they break the work into smaller pieces or run multiple functions at once. They also use asynchronous processing or background tasks that can run longer without holding up resources. Understanding these limits helps developers build scalable and responsive applications. It encourages writing efficient code and designing event-driven workflows that respond fast without wasting resources. In short, serverless platforms manage execution time by setting maximum durations, monitoring each function's runtime, and stopping those that go over the limit. This keeps everything running smoothly, saves costs, and makes sure resources are available for everyone.